First, I prepare 4 chicken thighs. I sprinkle salt, pepper, and a little chili powder on top. Then gently mix with my hands to coat the meat evenly with the seasoning. Welcome to Kitchen Daily. I'm a home cooking enthusiast. Sometimes it's just a simple dish, but it's like a message about caring for your loved ones. I gently place each chicken thigh into the pan. I usually fry them over medium heat, not too high. Since chicken thighs are quite thick, if the heat is too high, the skin will burn easily, while the inside is still undercooked. Cooking dishes like this sometimes requires a little patience. Lower the heat and wait a few more minutes for the meat to cook slowly. After a short while, the outer skin begins to turn a beautiful golden brown, and the aroma of butter, mingling with the chicken, fills the kitchen. Once both sides of the chicken are evenly golden, I gently transfer the pieces to a plate and set them aside, preparing for the next step of making the sauce. Next, I prepare the side vegetables, along with the fresh, sweet vegetable broth. I take 1 carrot and 1 head of broccoli, cut the carrot into bite-sized pieces, and separate the broccoli into small florets. If this is your first time watching my video, please subscribe to the channel so we can connect more often. Thank you for your support. Bring a pot of water to a boil. Add the carrots and boil for about 2 to 3 minutes, as carrots are harder and need a little longer. Then I add the broccoli and boil for another 2 to 3 minutes, just until the vegetables are cooked through. Then remove them immediately to keep their beautiful green color and slight crunch. Keep the vegetable cooking water for the next step. Now move on to making the sauce. I finely chop the red onion. And add it to the same pan I just fried the chicken in, stirring constantly until the onion begins to soften and release its aroma. Then I chop the garlic. And add it to the pan. Followed by the mushrooms. No need for fancy techniques, just chop evenly. Wherever you live, I hope everyone in the world can live in peace. May you return home and enjoy dinner with your loved ones. Now that we have all the ingredients for the sauce, Stir well to combine them. The garlic and mushrooms are soft and fragrant, and the kitchen now smells very pleasant. Next, I add 2 tablespoons of flour, stirring well to coat the vegetables in the pan. This step helps the sauce become smoother later. Then I pour about 250 milliliters of vegetable broth into the pan, stirring well to combine the mixture. Next, I add 200 milliliters of cream, stirring gently and simmering for a while until the sauce begins to thicken. I add a little salt and pepper to balance the flavor. When the sauce has reached the desired consistency, I return the 4 chicken thighs to the pan. At this stage, you can cover the pan and simmer on low heat for a few more minutes. This helps the chicken cook through tenderly from the inside and absorb the sauce evenly. Finally, I chop some parsley and sprinkle it into the pan to add color and aroma to the dish. Now, just arrange the chicken on a plate, drizzle a little sauce on top, and serve with the steamed vegetables from earlier. A very simple yet balanced dish. Tender, rich chicken, creamy sauce, and fresh, light vegetables. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this recipe, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next videos.